VitalPBX is an innovative unified communications PBX system that delivers a modern customer experience. It provides an intuitive interface and powerful features that help businesses boost productivity. Combined with our Sonata suite, it's the perfect solution for call centers that need a dependable and feature-rich platform to manage their interactions. Sonata Suite makes it easy to manage significant call volume while supplying excellent customer service. Discover in this video how the unique features of Sonata Suite can help you take your call center to levels you've never seen before. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line call accounting system, you need Sonata Billing. With Sonata Billing, you can quickly generate a wide variety of reports, including detailed call logs by extensions, cost centers, trunk account codes, and authorization codes. Plus, you can create different methods to rate your calls, one charging the rates of the carrier and another charging the rates of the customer. You can make as many rates as you need. Our system is designed to make it easy for you to keep track of your spending. For example, you can monitor your business's outgoing calls and how much time they spend on the phone. Sonata Suite is a must-have for all call centers and carriers. It'll boost your customer service, agent productivity, and other aspects. Now, if you're seeking the very best software, Sonata Suite really is your best bet. Try Sonata Suite on your VitalPBX installation today.